Hi all, very happy evening from ANIL NAIR classes family. Very happy evening to each and every viewer. Today we are going to discuss simplification session number 5. Simplification session number 5. In case if you are watching this video for the first time, I will highly recommend you to watch simplification session 1, 2, 3, 4. Kindly watch simplification session 1, 2, 3, 4 which are present in our YouTube channel so that every concept you will understand in detail. Kindly reply in the live chat if the audio is clear. I hope you are not facing any audio issues. I hope you are not facing any streaming issues. Once it is clear, we will start the class. Simplification session 5. I will be solving close to 30 plus variety of problems in today's class, starting from the basic level to the advanced level. Right? In case if you are a new user, kindly do not forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel so that you will get notified when the class starts, right? That is, in case if you enjoy the shortcuts in between, don't forget to click on the like button. Let us get into the class. Once I get into the class, it's complete problem solving. Now, let us write down concept number 1. Concept number 1, right? First we discussed x square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. How it is used in solving some square roots, that logic also we will see. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last two digits. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last two digits. Proof in one line we will discuss. Very important concepts we are going to discuss today. 123. Last two digits of 123 is 23. Last two digits of 123 is 23, which is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. 100 ones are 100. What is the remainder? 23. If you want the last two digits of a number, if you want the last two digits of any number, just divide it by 100. Whatever the positive remainder that you get, that itself is the positive last two digits of a number. In case if you get a negative value, just add with 100 to get the positive remainder. For example, 397 into 398. I want the last two digits of these number. 97 into 98. Complex calculation. 97 divided by 100 minus 3. 98 divided by 100 minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. 6. In last tens place will be 0 to get the last two digits. 0, 6. For me, this is extremely important to discuss a new logic. What is that logic? We will see. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last two digits. Why it is happening with every natural number multiple of 50? Why? Because if I open this bracket, 50 square plus or minus 2 into 50 into x plus x square, these divisible by 100, 2500 divisible by 100, 100 into any number divisible by 100. What is the remaining? X square. I hope the idea it is clear. So if it is working for 50, it will also work for every natural number multiple of 50. X square 50 plus x whole square, 50 minus x whole square. 100 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square. Listen carefully, sir. First elementary problems, foundation problems. Then we will get into the concept. Foundation problems. Foundation problems. How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers on squaring? How many two-digit numbers on squaring ends with, first 5 foundation problems ends with 16. How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 16? What is the smallest natural number on square? It will end with 16. 4 square is 16. Next number will be 50 minus 4 square. 46 square is 2116. 50 plus 4 square. 54 square is 2916. 100 minus 4 square, 96 square, 9216. Next is 100 and 100 plus 4 square. These are all 3-digit numbers. These are single digit number. How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 16? Answer is nothing but 3 numbers, and that 3 numbers are 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, and 100 minus x whole square. Next is 49. How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 49? One more example. 7 square is 49. What is the other number? 50 minus 7, 43 square. 43 square is 1849. Next is 57 square. Next is 100 minus 7 square, 93 square. 43 square is 1849, 57 square is 3249, and 93 square is 8649. Again the answer is 3 numbers. Suppose if I take 25. If I take 25, what is the concept for 25? Even 5 into even 5. The last 2 digits will be 25. When you multiply 2 even numbers ending with 5, last 2 digits will be 25. Odd 5 into odd 5. Odd 5 into odd 5. Again the last 2 digits will be 25. So 25 will remain same if the tens place is either an even number or an odd number. So for 25, what is the smallest natural number on square? It will end with 25. 5 square is 25. So not only for 50 plus x, 50 minus x, the tens place can be an even number or an odd number. 15 square possible. Tens place can be an even number or an odd number. 25 square possible. 35 square possible. Tens place can be any natural number. Why? Because tens place can be an even number or an odd number. 45 square. Next is 55 square. Next is 65 square. Next is 75 square. Next is 85 square. Next is 95 square. 95 square 9025. 85 square 7225. 65 square 4225. 45 square 2025. 35 square 1225. 15 square 225. Totally how many numbers we got? Totally 9 numbers we got. 2-digit numbers. On squaring, it is ending with 25. I hope the idea it is clear. For every number on squaring other than ending with 5, these logic holds good. What is this logic? X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, and 100 plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. I hope this concept is clear. Let me increase the level of difficulty. Quality problems we are going to discuss in the class. By the time the class is over, could be 7:30 or 8 o'clock. If you see your notebook, you will feel extremely happy that you have learnt a lot of new concepts. Don't leave the class in between. Watch the entire class. Today's class is a foundation for the upcoming classes on approximation and arithmetic based DI problems also. Next one, another problems. How many? All these concepts I am going to use it here. How many 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 73, 58, 42, 39, 66. How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 73, 58, 42, 39 and 66? What are the concepts related? If I square a number, this will become a perfect square. This will become a perfect square. What are the concepts related to perfect square? A perfect square unit digit. A perfect square unit digit can never be, a perfect square unit digit can never be 2, 3, 7 or 8. This is the first logic. A perfect square can never have unit digit 2, 3, 7 or 8. So the first 3, there are no 2-digit numbers that will be possible. A perfect square, tens place will be odd. Tens place will be odd only when the units place is 6. Only when the units place is 6, tens place will be odd. So it is tens place will be odd only when the units place is 6. Any perfect square ending with 9, 7 square 49, 13 square 169, 23 square 529, tens place cannot be odd. If a perfect square units place is 6, tens place it has to be odd, it is even. I hope it is clear. All the 5 questions answer is 0 based upon this logic. A perfect square can never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square depending upon unit digit, tens place nature will be there. I hope it is clear. Next one. Every perfect square will be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. 4k or 4k plus 1. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. If it is a perfect square, it should be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. But reverse, any number which is of the form 4k or 4k plus 1 may or may not be a perfect square. 25, 4 into 6 plus 1. Don't tell me that 37 is of the form 4 into 9 plus 1. So it is not working. I said if the number is a perfect square, it will be of the form 4k plus 1. If the number is a perfect square, reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. 39, 4 into 9 plus 3, not possible. 4 into 16 plus 2, it is not possible. If the number is a perfect square, it should be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. These 3 important key points I am going to use it. Introduction, I hope it is clear. Now let us see how to find out the square root of a perfect squares using last 2 digits logic. Now first we will discuss the concept. What is the concept that we discussed? If I take a number x, square it. You take any 50 multiple. That multiple should be a natural number. 50 into k plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. 50 into k plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits as long as k is a natural number. It could be 50, it could be 100, it could be 150, it could be 200. Now first problem. It is 2209. 2209. I want to find the square root of a perfect square. 4 plus 9, 13, 1 plus 3, 4. Step number 1. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 9 means 3 square is 9 or 7 square is 9. This is what we did it. 4 square is 16, 5 square 25. So 43 or 47. 47. Whichever digital sum that is matching, root of 2209. It is 47. So 2209 equivalent to 47 whole square. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square equivalent to 4. This is the traditional method that we discussed. Am I right? Traditional method, how to find the square root of a perfect square, we discussed. Now, a better method, let us discuss based upon these logic. Let us discuss based upon these logic. These method 1, most of you know because these is present in almost all Vedic maths books. So it is 2209. Now see here, listen carefully. How am I going to solve? What is the 2209? Keep a slash after 2 digits. Now 09. What is the smallest natural number that will end with 9? 3 square, it is 09. So x value we got 3. Next 22 lies between which 2 squares? 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. So answer lies between 4 or 5 as the tens place. Now, if it is 3, what will be the next number? 50 minus 3. 47 square. 47 square will have the last 2 digits same. So, answer is 47 square directly. You don't need to do 43. Again, I am repeating. Last 2 digits is same. This is the concept. Very important concept. X square 50 into k plus or minus x whole square. These depends upon the number that we take. 2209. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 3 square is 09. 22 lies between 4 square and 5 square. So that is 3, it lies between 40 and 50. So 50, if 3 square is 09, what is the next number that will have last 2 digits same? 50 minus 3. 50 minus 3 is 47 square. Answer is 2209. More and more examples will solve. You will get a very good idea on this. Square root of 7744. Square root of 7744. Keep a slash after 2 digits. These 44. What is the smallest number that on square I will get 44 at the end? 12 square is 44. 77 lies between 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. So the number lies between 80 and 90. 12. What is the next multiple of 50? 100. 100 minus 12. It is 88 lies between 80 and 90. Answer is 88 square will be 7744. Single step you will get the answer. I hope the approach it is clear. It is 5329. These square root of 5329. Square root of 5329. Wantonly I kept 5329 so that you will understand few doubts which you might get. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 29. 23 square is 529. So these are nothing but 23. So here 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. So the number will be just greater than 23. So 50 plus 23, it is nothing but 73 square. 73 square is 5329. X square 50 plus x whole square. Sir, can't I take, suppose in hurry I took 27 square. 27 square is 729. Sorry, in hurry I am writing it as 77 square. 77 square, it is incorrect. Why? Because 77 it is a multiple of 11. 7 into 11. Answer should be a multiple of 11. 9 plus 3 12. 5 plus 2 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. It is not sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. It is not divisible by 100. In hurry, if you take another number where the last 2 digits are same, then you can use the concept of divisibility rule. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. If it is 3721. 3721. Step number 1. Root of 3721. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 21. What is the smallest number that on square I will get 21 at the end? 11 square is 121. 37 lies between 6 square 36 and 7 square 41. Answer should lie between 6 and 7. 50 plus 11, 61 square. 61 square answer is nothing but 3721. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. 8225. 8225. Square root of 8225. 5 square it is 25. 82 lies between which two numbers? 9 square 81, 10 square 100. What is the only natural number between 90 and 100 that will have unit digit 5? So these is nothing but 9 square 81. So these 90. Now 1 minute sir. These is nothing but. Now here one important catch. Immediately you might do 95 as the answer. Be careful. Put a star mark on problem number E. 8225. This is what I wanted to tell you by taking this problem. This is a perfect square. Every perfect square, don't hurriedly solve it. This condition should be satisfied. Every perfect square should have digital sum. Which all numbers it should have digital sum? 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 7, 8. If it is a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. These digital sum, it is 8. So it is a non-perfect square. Are you all with me? Don't forget to do these acid test before you apply the concept. Here it is 4. Here it is 4. Here it is 1. Here it is 4. Are you all with me? Every perfect square digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. So answer is option number E. It is not a perfect square. Already in simplification session number 1, I already discussed how to find the approximate value of a non-perfect square. How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect square. Otherwise, that also we will discuss. Square root of a non-perfect square. Square root of a non-perfect square. The method which I am discussing right now is taken from the Trachtenberg book. Root of 31 I require. Step number 1. Root 31 lies between which two perfect squares? Root 25 and root 36. This is 5 plus 31 25. What is the difference? 6. 36 25. What is the difference? 11. Answer is approximately 5, 6 by 11. Answer is approximately 5, 6 by 11, which is nothing but 5.5. 11 5s are 55, 50, 5.54. 55 whole square is 3025. It is coming close. Suppose if it is root 7 is there. Root 7 it is lies between root 5 and root 4 and root 9. Root 4 and root 9. Root 4 it is 2. 7 and 4 difference is 3. 9 and 4 difference is 5. Approximately very close to 2.6. Approximately very close to 2.6. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? Some mathematical books have given a very beautiful analogy, sir. Suppose if you see root 5 is approximated to 2.24, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9. Just give me 1 minute, sir. So here it is nothing but a difference of 0.21. These 2.45. These nothing but a difference of 0.20. These nothing but 2.65. These nothing but a difference of 0.19. These 2.84. These nothing but a difference of 0.18, which is closer to 3.0. Suppose if you want root 10, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17 decrease. I hope it is clear. Next it is 16 decrease. Next it is 15 decrease, and the process continues. Just to make a note of these important thing in case if you are stuck in search, how to find out root 7, you can do like this. Root 4. Right, I hope it is clear. Right, root 5 is actually very closer to 2.236. I just approximated this value. It is 4. All are irrational numbers except root 9. That is what I got. Very 3.02. They will go with a deviation of 0.21, 0.20, 0.19, 0.18 and so on. So this keep it in mind. Suppose if I want to find out the value of root of 8225. Root of 8225. This is a non-perfect square. It lies between which all perfect squares? These 8100. These nothing but 90. These nothing but 95. A5 into B5. That shortcut also we have seen. A into A plus 1. These nothing but 9025. These nothing but 9025, which is 91. So answer is 90 plus These is nothing but 125 and these is nothing but 925. This is the approximate value of root of 8225, which is a non-perfect square. Square root of a perfect square for last two digits we have seen, right? Then we have also seen the square root of a non-perfect square. I hope the idea it is clear. Now let us take a bigger numbers. What is the logic that we discussed? X square 50 multiple. It can be 50 plus or minus x whole square. It can be 100 plus or minus x whole square. It can be 150 plus or minus x whole square. Any natural number multiple of 50, all will have same last two digits. All the numbers will have same last two digits, beautifully explained in our NCERT textbook. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square, 150 plus or minus x whole square, all will have the same last two digits. How to apply this concept? First one, square root of 11449. Just to check, a perfect square digital sum should be, a perfect square digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. First check for all the values. Any number other than 1, 4, 7, 9 I am getting. It is 7. These 9. These 9 and 9. These also 1. These 9. 6 plus 3, 9. These 1. So all the numbers are perfect squares. Step number 1, 49. What is the smallest number on square I am getting? 49. 7 square is 49. 114 lies between which two squares? 10 square is 100 and 11 square is 121. So the number lies between, this is the unit digit, sir. This is the unit digit. Number, these are the last two digits. Number lies between 10 and 11. So these 100 are unit digit. If I keep 100 are 110. So 7 square. What is the next number? 100 plus x whole square. So answer is 107 square, which is 11449. Suppose if I keep the second option, 13689. 13689, keep a slash, 189, which number on square I will get? 89. 17 square is 289. 136 lies between, 11 square it is 121, 12 square it is 144. So it is nothing but 100 plus 17, 117 square. It lies between 11 and 12. You don't need to do whether it is 113 or 117. That is only based on the unit digit, but we are seeing the last two digits and getting the answer very fast. Suppose if it is root of 16129, keep a slash, 29, 23 square is 529. So 161 lies between which two squares? 12 square 144 and 13 square 169. So 120 and 123, 100 plus 23, it is nothing but 123 square. It is nothing but 123 square. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. Suppose D, root of 23409, 23409, 3 square, it is nothing but 9. 234, it lies between which two squares? 15 square 225 and 16 square 256. Answer is just greater than 150 and less than 160. 150 plus 3. Answer is 153 square. I hope you are enjoying the class. In case if you are enjoying the class, click on the like button and share the class link with as many as possible. Next one, root of 24336. These are nothing but 6 square is 36. 243 lies between 15 square 225, 16 square 256. So answer should be just greater than 150, 156 square. This will give an idea whether which multiple of 50 we should take. It is telling that 150, 160. So just greater than 150, 150 plus x whole square. Last one, root of 37249. So if I keep a slash after two digits, 49 is 7 square is 49. These are nothing but 19 square is 361 and 20 square is 400. So these 190 and 200, just less than 200. 200 minus 7, 193 square. If you solve it, you will get the answer. How to find out the square roots of a perfect square using last two digits logic? I hope the idea it is clear. Perfect square will never have unit digit 237 or 8. Perfect square digital sum will be 147 or 9. A perfect square tens place will be odd only when the units place is 6. A perfect square is always of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. It can never be of the form 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3. Sir, how you got 4k or 4k plus 1? N is a natural number. N is a natural number. If I square this, this will become a perfect square. If I square this, this will become a perfect square. Natural number can be an even number or natural number can be an odd number. 2k whole square or 2k plus or minus whole square. That means these divisible by 4. 4 into k square. These nothing but 4k square plus or minus 4k plus 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4. That is the reason every perfect square is of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. 4 into something plus 1. Students who are preparing for bank examinations, few students after simplification class, they have sent me some doubts. Sir, in our online classes where we enrolled, they solved it in multiple steps. Can you please simplify the problem? Let me take all the doubts asked by the online students. Now see this question. They wanted to know Anil Nair's way of solving. Let me first write the question. Question is root x plus 46 equivalent to root of 22801. Options are 10812, 10816, 11310, 11025 and 10314. 10314. This is the option. Now if you want to know Anil Nair's way of solving, how I solved this question, now see here Anil Nair's way of solving. Now if you see square root of anyway these 4, so this will give me some answer. It is a perfect square because all the answers are in integers. This is an integer. This is an integer. Integer minus integer only I will get an integer. Root x. Root x it is a under root of x. This is an integer means it should be a perfect square. It should be a perfect square. A perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be even. Or a perfect square will never be of the form 4k plus 2. 14 is 4 into 3 plus 2. It is 4k plus 2. Are you all with me? Any perfect square will always have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. So these is nothing but a perfect square. A perfect square will never have unit digit 2, 3, 7 or 8. Within 2 seconds you eliminated option A, option C and option E. 22801. This is an odd number. This is an odd number. 46 it is an even number. Let me call it is root x plus even equivalent to odd. Root x equivalent to odd minus even. It is odd. X should be an odd number. X should be an odd number. 10816. It is eliminated. Answer is 11025. I hope the student who asked this question, I hope it is clear. Maximum 5 seconds you will take to solve the question. In case if you have seen all the previous videos of simplification and you are following me regularly in YouTube channel, right, simplification is one topic where each and every question can be right probably solved in a maximum time limit of 30 seconds. Some questions in 5 to 10 seconds. If you have solved 300 to 400 unique models along with approximation along with me. Again I am explaining. I did not even use any unit digit logic here. Again I am explaining. All the answer options are integers. So this should be an integer. Integer minus integer. It is under root. Under root means it is a perfect square. Because we discussed perfect square logic, a perfect square last two digits should write any perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be even. 8 square 64, 12 square 144, 18 square 324, 22 square 484, 28 square 784. It is also of the form 4k plus 2. Any perfect square will never give unit digit 2, 3, 7 are 8. So these odd minus even odd. In case if you want to use unit digit, now see root x, this is where, that is one of the reasons why you should enroll for the classes, so that each and every technique you know it. Only I give some sample demo videos in our channel so that you can experience my teaching, how an author of 9 books takes the class. Once you understand, it will be easy. Root of 22801, 22801, you can either use unit digit logic or you can use, that is exactly the reason I discussed all the problems, square root using last 2 digits logic, square root using last 2 digits. Any logic you can use. Idea is to get the answer very fast. Square root, if I use, it is 22801, keep a slash, these 1 square is 01, 15 square it is 225, and 16 square is 256. So 150 plus 1, these 151. So root x, it is nothing but 151 minus 46. These is nothing but 151, these 144, these 105. 105 whole square, it is nothing but a into a plus 1. 11025. This is a traditional method to solve. Anything which takes a little more time to solve, kindly avoid that method, because that will kill your time. You have to clear the cutoff. Another way of solving the question. Each and every question I will give you multiple models. It is up to you to choose which method you are comfortable in. I will never force any student to use this method. Learn all the methods and choose what you want. This is 1. So the unit digit will be 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, or 9 square is 81. So this unit digit is 6. This unit digit it is 6. So this can be 5 or this can be 1. Sorry, this is 6, right? 5 plus 6 only, it is 9. 1 minus 6 is, I hope it is clear. So answer option has to be ending with 5. Only option is 11025. 11025. I hope the idea it is clear, right? So if the unit digit it is 1, it is 6. Something plus 6 is something plus 6. It is nothing but 1. 1 means it is 1 minus 6 is, I hope it is clear, right? 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 10 minus 5, it will become 5. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 means it will become 7. Unit digit is 7. Anyway, that case is not possible. Student who asked the first doubt, multiple logics I discussed. Question number 2. Question number 2. Let me take this question. Market price is, sir, can you please help me out solving this question? Market price is 720. Selling price is 550.80. Discount percentage. One is given as a 10%. Another discount percentage we need to determine. The options are 15%, 12%. How to use the simplification problems. You will understand why am I focusing more on simplification problems before I start arithmetic. It makes my job easy, right? D1, D2 are nothing but discounts. D1 and D2 are nothing but discounts. These pen costs 10 rupees. My friend came. I gave it for 8 rupees. Money lost because the friendship is called, right, discount. Discount is nothing but price marked on the marker is 10 rupees. I sold it for 8 rupees. Marked price minus discount, or selling price is marked price minus discount. On marked price, if you apply discount, you will get a selling price. So final value it is nothing but 550.80. On market price, I am applying discount. 10 percentage decrease, it is 0.90. X we don't know. First option I will use, it is 15 percentage drop, it is 0.85. I hope it is clear. On 1 by 10 it is the drop, on 10 one decrease, final will be 9 by 10. I used the answer option. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18, 9, these also 9. Answer digital sum, it is matching. Now what we should do? Now see here, 85 it is nothing but 85 by 100. 85 it is 17 into 5. That means this is not divisible by 17. This is not divisible by 17. This is divisible by 17. Check whether right hand side is divisible by 17. Left hand side should also be divisible by 17. 17 3s are 51. 40, 17 2s are 34, 68, 17 4s are 68. Answer is option number A. I hope it is clear. You can use this in the second option also to check. 550. Okay. The simplification class is so important that it will help you a lot in your arithmetic problems. 720 into 0.9 into 12 percentage drop, 0.88. 88 it is divisible by 11. Right answer should be divisible by 11. 5 minus 13 minus 8. It is not divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose for example from now onwards, that is the reason you should not miss any live class of mine. It will help you to solve the problem. Again I am repeating, these marker costs 10 rupees. My friend came, I gave it for 8 rupees. Discount is market price minus selling price. On market price, if you apply discount, you will get selling price. On market price, 10 percentage drop, it is 0.9. First option 85, 0.85. I hope it is clear. Now with this idea, just I will give you a glimpse of how you should solve. Suppose market price is 360. Market price is 360. Discount percentage for example, it is 20%. Second discount percentage, it is 25%. Selling price is how much? In profit, loss and discount I will discuss in detail. So these nothing but 360 into 20% drop, 0.80, and it is 0.75. How students will solve? 360 into 1 by 5 drop means 4 by 5. These are nothing but 3 by 4. So these are nothing but 4 cancel. 572s are 72 3s are 216. Good method, but what you can do is you can play around with the answer option. 360, it is 9. 9 into any number, answer digital sum will be 9. 9 into any number, answer digital sum will be 9. 216, answer digital sum will be 9. Answer digital sum will be 9. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum, you can use any concept. 360, it is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Are you all with me? 80, it is divisible by 8. Answer should be divisible by 8. 75, it is 3 into 5 into 5. Right, 3 into 25. Answer should be divisible by 3. Once we discuss profit, loss and discount, I will discuss in detail how we can use unit digit divisibility rule logic. Just I am giving a glimpse of this problem. Suppose for example, don't miss any of the arithmetic classes. Cost price is 240. Profit percentage is 23%. 23%. Selling price, how much it is? So on 23 increase, this is nothing but 240 into 1.23. Are you all with me? It is nothing but on 123 increase 123. Here you can use a digital sum. 2 plus 4, it is 6. Here also it is 6. 6 6 are 36. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum. What is this? This is nothing but a simplification only, right? That is exactly the reason every class of simplification you must attend before you start with arithmetic problem. Every arithmetic problem you see, whether it is SICA, profit loss and discount, it involves simplification. You have to be extremely good in simplification related problems. Now, especially the students who are preparing for bank or an SSC or a CAT examination. If I take a CAT examination, 34 questions, 16 to 18 questions will come only from arithmetic. Extremely important. These from a CAT has separate quantitative section, quantitative ability. In case if you are looking at a bank examination, out of 35 questions in IBPS prelim, close to 10 to 12 questions, 33.33% of the questions you will get it from bank. Anyway, 4 to 6 questions also you will get it from simplification and approximation. SSC, the students who are writing SSC know the importance of numbers, arithmetic, algebra, geometry and mensuration, and advanced maths topics like trigonometry, coordinate geometry. You know the importance, extreme importance is given to arithmetic, algebra, geometry and maths. Listen to every class. A good few demo classes I will keep it before I start the arithmetic live classes for the enrolled students. I hope you got the idea. Next one, please write down the another doubt. Every concept which I use it in class, I will create problems for it. Question is 625 minus 22 square plus 95. Somebody send me, sir, this is an original exam question, sir. Please help us in solving it in seconds. This is 324. Exact question. This is 18 and it is 12. This is 144. And it is 16. X is 625 minus 22 square plus 95 equivalent to x square minus 88. X square, it is a perfect square. ANIL NAIR's way of solving. A perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now 324, 144 and 16. If x square is 16, just think logically. 625 plus 95. This is nothing but 720. This should be 480 minus 22 square. It is nothing but 484. So 484. Now if you see, how can x square be 16, sir? If x square is 16, 16 minus 88 is negative. This plus this minus this, 625 plus 95 is 720 minus 484, it is positive. So these out. We are struck with option A and D. We are struck with option A and D. You don't need to do for 16 also. That is also a time waster for me. Now x square, it is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, let me take 144. 144 minus 88. 144 minus 88. 144. 144 is 100. 44 more than 100. 88 is 12 less than 100. So answer is nothing but 56. This is 56. So 625 plus 95. This is nothing but 22 square plus 56. Now see here. This is 720. 22 square is just closer to, even if I take 25 square, which is greater than 22 square, 625 plus 56, it cannot be the answer. 144 is eliminated. I hope it is clear. Because x square, it is a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So option B and C is out. 16, it is not possible. 16 minus 88 is negative. Left hand side I am getting positive value. I took 144, but the values are not matching. This is one way to solve. Another way to solve. Listen carefully. 625 minus 22 square. Let me write the question again. Plus 95 equivalent to x square minus 88. These is nothing but 625 minus 22 square plus 95 plus 88 equivalent to x square. Unit digit 5. These are nothing but 4. 5 minus 4 plus 5 plus 8. 5 minus 4 1. 5 plus 8 13. 3. 1 plus 3 it is nothing but 4. X square should end with 4. So x unit digit should be either 2 or 8, either 2 or 8. I hope the idea is clear. Or you can go by the last two digits. 625 last two digits is 25. 484 it is 84. These are nothing but 95 and it is 88. Please don't add and show your intelligence. 84 when divided by 100 minus 16. 95 is 5 less than 100. 88 is 2 less than 100. Easily you will get the answer. 41 minus 17 which is 30. 25. 25 minus 84. 25 minus 84. 84 divided by 100 minus 16 plus minus 5 and it is minus 12. 41 minus 17 24. Last two digits of the answer x square last two digits I should get 24 at the end. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. 18 square is 324. Either you can use unit digit or the last two digits. One more doubt which we will take it. Then we will get into the class. Now see here. This is question number 3. Most of the bank experience students, right, I have started solving simplification problems because I am taking lot of live classes. They are asking the doubts. Plus root x equivalent to 63% of 700 minus 14% of 600. Solve each and every problem which I discussed in simplification. Let me write down the exact questions. 754, 784, 584, 729 and 28. 729 and 28. Morning we discussed the similar model. 55% of 600 plus root x equivalent to 63% of 700 minus 14% root x. Root x it is nothing but a perfect square. A perfect square can never end with 8. A perfect square digital sum is always a perfect square digital sum is always 1, 4, 7 or 9. These if you see 12 plus 5 17 it is 8. It is not possible. Any perfect square, right, ending with 4 tens place it is even. So it is 784. Root of 784 is 28. Root of 729 it is nothing but 27. One is even, another is odd. Let us check it out. Percentage and by 100 cancel. Percentage and by 100 cancel. Percentage and by 100 cancel. 55 into 6. 6 is an even number. Even into any number even. Even plus something equivalent to 63 it is odd. 7 is also odd. Odd into odd it is nothing but odd. 14 into 6 even into even it is an even number. So this will become minus even number. Box equivalent to odd minus of even plus even. Even plus even is even. Odd minus even. Odd minus even. The box value should be an odd number. Answer is 729. No need of using any digital sum. This today's first 30 minutes of class is extremely important for you to understand the fundamentals. I hope all the fundamentals are clear to you. All the doubts are also clear to you. All the Three doubts which students asked after watching simplification, enrolled students, right? I hope the idea it is clear. A perfect square digital sum is always 1, 4, 7 or 9. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Every perfect square is always of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. Now let us get into today's problem solving. X divided by 405.5 plus 183.75 equivalent to 630 divided by 3 by 4, it is nothing but multiplied by 4 by 3. 5 plus 4, it is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 is 5. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 to get the digital sum 1. 2x plus 8 plus 1 cancel. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 digital sum is 6. 3 2 10s are. These are nothing but 840. 840, it is nothing but 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. So 2x equivalent to minus 3. Minus 3. If you get a negative remainder, add it with 9 to get the positive remainder. 9 minus 3, it is nothing but 6. X digital sum. X digital sum should be 3. X digital sum should be 3. Let us see. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. It is 6. 5 plus 4, 9. It is 5. Not possible. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. It is not possible. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12, it is nothing but 1 plus 2, 3. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. 225.75. Or probably what you can do is, just if you are little smart, you can tell the answer. You can tell the answer very, very easily. Suppose if it is 225. Forget about, we will approximate it. 225 by 405. Right? Plus 183.75. Put 183 only. These are nothing but 210. These are nothing but 210. This should be just closer to 37 we should get. So 22 divided by 40 approximation into 100. 25s are 22s are. These closer to 55%. If this is only closer to 55, all the other values will exceed 210. Am I right? Am I right? Right? So all the other answer options can be eliminated. I hope it is clear. So or otherwise you can do it like this. 210 minus 183. 210 minus 183. 200. 210 is 10 more than 200. 183 is 17 less than 200. So total 27 divided by 183. See the percentage change, that also will give you the answer. I am just putting this concept for parking for some time. When I discuss approximation, I will introduce another concept of how you can use approximation to solve the problems. Next one. Next one. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. 29% of 265, 23% of 365. All the answer options, unit digit it is 9. And one answer option it is 6. Let us first use digital sum. If we are struggling, then we will go and use the last two digits. 29 unit digit. Digital sum is 2. These are nothing but 265. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 it is nothing but 4. 2 plus 3 it is 5. 5 plus 4 it is 9. So it is nothing but 3. Minus 8 into 242 it is nothing but 8. Plus 6.5 it is nothing but 11. 190 it is 1. So 2 4s are 8. 5 3s are 15 which is 6. 8 8s are 64. 1 plus 2. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 minus 1 15. 15 digital sum is nothing but 6. Answer digital sum should be 6. Check where the digital sum is 6. This is 1, not possible. This is 9. 14 plus 2, 16. It is giving you 7. 9, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Remaining it is 6. This is giving you the answer. This is giving you the answer. We will also use last 2 digits to check whether the last 2 digits of the answer it should be 89 or not, just for understanding how to use last 2 digits. Percentage, percentage. These are nothing but 29 into 65 plus 23 into 35 minus 8 into, only the attack is on last 2 digits, 8 into 42. These are nothing but 6.5 percentage, 65 by 10 into 190. This will become 65 into 19. 65 into 19. Now these are nothing but 30 minus 1 into 65 for easier calculation. These are nothing but 23 into 7 into 5. These are nothing but 36. These are nothing but 65. 5 into 13 into 19. 5 into 13 into 19. Wherever calculations are little difficult, I will make it easy. 30 into 65. These are nothing but 1950 minus 65. 50 minus 65 minus 15. So the positive last 2 digits will be 85 plus 23 7s are 23 7s are 161. 61 into 5. It is 05 minus 36. These are nothing but 95 into 13. 95 into 13. 95 divided by 100 minus 5 into 13 minus 65. So answer is plus 35. I hope it is clear. Easily you will get it when you can. If there are larger numbers, divide by 100. 85 plus 5, 90 minus 36 plus 35 minus 1. Last 2 digits it is 89. Last 2 digits it is 89. This calculation I wanted to teach you. That is the reason I used the concept of last 2 digits. Here 30 into 65. These 1950. 50 minus 65 minus 15. Negative remainder minus 15, positive remainder 85. 23 7s are 61. 1 into 5. The process became easy. Minus 36. 95 into 13. 95 into 13. 95 divided by 100. Minus 5. Minus 5 into 13 is minus 65. Positive remainder is 35. Let us solve some examples so that you will be extremely comfortable with this kind of simplification. How to find out the last 2 digits and make our job easy. 98 into 37 it is there. 98 divided by 100 minus 2. Minus 2 into 37 minus 74. Negative remainder minus 34. Add 100 to it. 100 minus 74 is 26. 89 into 41 it is there. 89 it is minus 11 into 41. This is 1. 45 minus 51. 100 minus 51. It is nothing but 49. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is 187 into 112. So 102's 87 divided by 100 minus 13 into, it is nothing but 12. This is minus 56. 100 minus 56, it is 44. Please make a note of these examples. This will ensure that you save some seconds of time in solving this question. I hope this problem it is clear, right? How to find out the last 2 digits. Each and every class, after watching it, kindly download it and watch it as many times as possible. After you attend all the classes starting from simplification session 1, you will feel extremely confident. Now unit digit, it is same. Last 2 digits, it is also same. So what you will do is, you will go by the digital sum concept. I gave you a flow chart in simplification session 1 and session 2. 8 plus 1, it is 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, it is 10. 1. it is 9, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 8 14, 14 it is 5, it is x plus, it is 9, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 3 18, it is nothing but 9, 6 equivalent to x plus 9, x equivalent to minus 3. If you get a negative remainder, add 9 to get the positive remainder. It is nothing but 6. So first option, it is 8, not possible. Second option, 90609. Third option, yes, 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9. So we are stuck in two options, 90609 and 89619. 89619. Now use the divisibility rule. 58 are number tree. 58321. First I will use a number tree. I will also show you how to use the divisibility rule. Number tree 58321. It is an odd number. 69386. It is an even number. It is x plus 37098. It is an even number. Odd plus even. It is an odd number. Odd minus even. Odd minus even, it should be an odd number. Answer will be an odd number. So answer is 89619. Answer is 89619. If you want me to use divisibility rule, that also can be used. How to use divisibility rule? That also let us see it. Divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. Listen carefully, sir. Divisibility rule. Let me check the divisibility rule for 4. What is the divisibility rule for 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. 21. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 1. 86. 4 21s are 84. Remainder 2. Left hand side. Remainder when divided by 4. It is 3. These 4 24s are 96. It is 2. It is 2. I hope it is clear, right? 09. 09 is giving you 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. Right? So 8, these 89619. 89619. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and divided by 4. Remainder 1. Now we will see the last two digits. Again, I will come back to these divisibility rules. Last two digits. Odd plus even, it is odd. Odd minus even, it should be an odd number. It should be an odd number. I think we are stuck here, right? We are stuck in these options, I think. 9, 8 plus 1, 9. We are stuck in B and D. Let us use the last two digits. It is 21 plus 86. It is x plus 98. So these is nothing but 21 plus 86 minus 98 equivalent to x. 86 divided by 100 minus 14. 98 divided by 100 minus 2. So it is nothing but 21 minus 4, 7. 7 plus 2. It is nothing but 9. Answer last two digits. It should be 9. 9 only we got. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. Here it is remainder 3. I hope it is clear. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 5 and divided by 4, remainder 1. You can use a divisibility rule logic. You can use the last two digits logic. You can use digital sum logic. You can use digital sum logic to solve it. I hope it is clear. Right now, next question. 88% of 370. All the answer options, unit digit, it is same 888 and another is 256. Let us see by using 88%. Let us first go with the digital sum. 8 plus 8, it is 16, which is 7. 370, it is 1. 24, it is 6. 210, it is 3. Minus question mark equivalent to, it is 1. 7 1s are 7. 6 3s are 18. Minus question mark equivalent to 1. So 7 plus 9 minus 1 equivalent to question mark. 16 minus 1, 15. That means question mark should be have digital sum 6. Question mark should have digital sum 6. Let us see which option has got 6. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 it is 7. 258. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. I hope it is clear. Now what we can do is, you can also use the divisibility rule to solve this problem. Now see here. 88, it is divisible by 4. 24, it is divisible by 4. 18, 4 4s are 16, or if you put this side, minus 118 equivalent to question mark 18. 4 4s are 16, remainder 2. Answer should be, when divided by 4, it should give a remainder 2. Answer, when divided by 4, it should give a remainder 2. Option A and option C, it is out. So 358, anyway it is out by using digital sum. Smarter approaches, each and every problem, if you look at it from simplification session 1, it is not like any other teacher. Question 1 solution, question 1 solution. I am myself keeping an answer options so that a student who is watching the video, he will not get a single doubt on this concept. Next one, all the unit digits are same. The tens place, it is changing. Now let us use a little smart work. 60 divisible by 4, 56 divisible by 4, 28 divisible by 4, 12s are 48, minus 2. 4k, any number when divided by 4, it should give remainder minus 2. Minus 2, it is also nothing but plus 2. Minus 2, 2 units away from 4. Left of 4, right of 4. Answer should be, when divided by 4, it should give a remainder 2. 84 divisible by 4. 84 divisible by 4. 4 13s are 52, 2, 4, 2s are 8, it is C, D and D. Only 2 options are eliminated by just by looking at the question in the first few seconds. Then go by the last 2 digits. It is 60, next it is 56, minus 50, and next it is 28. 60 plus 28, 88, plus 60. 6. Answer is nothing but 94. 6894. Check it out whether the digital sum is matching. Sometimes answer probably digital sum, if it is not matching, you can tick mark on none of this. 9 if you eliminate. 7 plus 6 13. 1 plus 3 4. 9 if you eliminate. 7 plus 6 13. 1 plus 3 4. 8 plus 5 13. Minus 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 it is 5. 4 minus 4 cancel. Answer digital sum should be 9. 9 eliminated. 12 plus 6, 18. Unit digit matching, last 2 digits matching. Divisibility rule matching, and the digital sum it is also matching. Next one, 14 into 15. 14 into 15 minus 483 divided by 23. It is question mark minus 100. So plus 100 equivalent to question mark. Plus 100 equivalent to question mark. Now remember this BODMAS rule, otherwise you might end up doing the subtraction. First division we have to do. 23 2s are 46, 21. So these nothing but, all the last 2 digits are same. So these nothing but 10. I hope it is clear. Why? Because you don't need to multiply 14 into 15. It is 5 into 3. 70 into 3. It is 210. Last 2 digits 10. Minus 21. And it is 0. So these are nothing but minus 11. Minus 11 plus 0. These are nothing but. I hope it is clear, right? 10 minus 21, minus 11 plus 0, 0, minus 11, last 2 digits should be 89, last 2 digits should be 89, these out, these out, these out. Answer could also be none of this, so we will also check by using digital sum. These nothing but 210, it is 3. 2 plus 1, it is 3, it is 1. So it is answer digital sum should be 1. 289. Answer digital sum is 289. There could still be a possibility of none of this. We will also check by using divisibility rule whether 14 into 15 minus 21 plus 100 equivalent to question mark. These is nothing but divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. These is nothing but it is 210 minus 21. These giving you nothing but 189. 189. 4 to 21s are 80, 22s are 88. 1. Answer when divided by 4, it should give a remainder 1. All the conditions it is meeting. Confidently we can say that answer is 289. Answer is 289. Now see here. 17 into 11 into 7 minus 70. Now if you see here, you can solve this problem either by using the divisibility rules or by using a digital sum. 17, 7 complicated prime numbers, 11 we know. So this number is divisible by 11 6 are 66. Remainder it is 4. Answer when divided by 11, it should give a remainder minus 4. It should give a remainder minus 4. 9 plus 1 10. 3 plus 1 4. So it is nothing but 10 minus 4. It is giving you a remainder 6. 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 9. It is giving you a remainder 1. 9 plus 2. 9 minus 4 remainder it is also means plus 7. I hope it is clear. Negative remainder minus 4. 9 plus 2 it is 11. 11 minus 9 it is 2. 9 plus 2 11. 11 minus 4 it is 7. 1 2 3 9 it is the answer. 1 2 3 9. You can also cross check by using the last two digits whether it is matching or not. 17 into 11 into 7 minus 70. These are nothing but 187 11 7s are 77. 87. 87 into 7 minus 30. 87 when divided by 100 minus 13. Minus 13 into 7 and minus 70 divided by 100 minus 30. Minus 91 plus 30. Minus 91 it is 9. 9 plus 30. 39. Last two digits it is also matching. Sometimes a divisibility rule will work wonders. Sometimes a digital sum will work wonders. Sometimes unit digit will work wonders. We don't know which problem. Depending upon the unit digit, depending upon the question, we have to use that particular logic. Now if you see, all the unit digits are same, last two digits are same, don't use that method. Then use the concept of digital sum. 338 into 97 minus 1835. Now see here, equivalent to question mark. 9 is out. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 it is nothing but 5. Into 7. 1 plus 8 9 cancel. 3 plus 5 it is 8. 5 7s are 35. 35 it is 8. 8 minus 8 it is 0. That means answer is perfectly divisible by 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 9. 3 plus 5 plus 1. Yes. These are not possible. 9 9 these are not possible. 5 plus 3 plus 1 these are not possible. So answer is 31951. Answer is 31951. Let us see whether it is working by using the divisibility rule. 1835 it is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. It leaves a remainder 3. 5 19s are 95. It leaves a remainder 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 when divided by 5. It leaves a remainder 1. Anyway, all are giving you the remainder right 1 only. So probably divisibility rule of 5 is not the effective method here. Go by the generic number. 338 into 97 minus 1835. 1835. Suppose assume that it is closer to 100. In case if you want to know why none of these is not the answer, 33800 minus 18235. If you observe, it is coming to close to 32,000 range. So definitely all these are not possible. Just 97 is 100 minus 3. So from 33,000 some 340 into 3 is subtracted, that is a very smaller value. I hope it is clear. Next one, 93 plus 51 minus 77 equivalent to question mark. These minus 7, these plus 51, these nothing but plus 23. 74 minus 7, it is nothing but 67. Only one option it is there, which is 8467. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, 20111 into 21 into 11. 20 it is, answer should be divisible by 11. All the last two digits are different, so attack the last two digits. 11 into 21 into 11. 11 11s are 121. 21 into 21. 21 square is 441. Last two digits it is 41. Also here check by using the divisibility rule of 11 whether it is satisfying. First will satisfy. Next, how to use a digital sum in fractions. It is nothing but 3400.25 divided by 2345. 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 3 5. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply and divide by 2 so that the denominator digital sum will become 1. So these became 1. These are nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 2, which is 9, eliminated. 5 2s are 10. Answer digital sum should be 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. Now see here. Answer digital sum should be 1. 8 plus 1 out. These are nothing but 1. These are nothing but 8. These are nothing but 4. These are nothing but 4. So answer is 1.450. Answer is 1.450. In case if there is more than one answer option with the same digital sum, what you do is 3400.25. It is 2345 into 1.450 into 1.450. Now see here, these are nothing but 3400.25 divided by 100. Are you all with me? These are nothing but 2345. Idea is to tell you how you can use last two digits logic. These are nothing but 3 zeros. These 0 cancel. 2 zeros cancel. Now you can cross check by using last two digits whether the answer is right or wrong. These 45. These 45. What is the concept we used? Even 5 into even 5. What will be the last two digits? Last two digits will be 25. Left hand side it is 25. You can cross multiply and use the last two digits logic. Absolutely 100% conceptual clarity without a single doubt. A student will get it in the class. Next it is 408 into 3058 divided by 9452. Now if you see here, 8 8s are 64. 408 into 3058 equivalent to 9452 into something. I hope it is clear. 8 8s are 64. Unit digit it is 4. Unit digit it is 4. Now if you see here, this is 2. This unit digit if it is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. And 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. None of them it is possible. Answer is 132. Answer is 132. Or in case if there is another option 312. How you can solve? Now see here, 408 into 3058 equivalent to 9452 into 132. Listen carefully beta. Here you can use the concept of digital sum. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 0. That means this number is divisible by 11. Right hand side is divisible by 11. Left hand side should be divisible by 11. 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 8. It is divisible by 11. Unit digit, number tree, all these concepts can be combined together to get the answer. Idea it is clear, right? Suppose if I take 312, 3058 is divisible by 11. Right hand side also it should be divisible by 11. These divisible by 11. These divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. You can also use by using digital sum. Next it is 113 into 114. Last two digits all are different. So 13 into 14 minus of 1127 divided by 23 plus 100 equivalent to question mark. These are nothing but 82. 23 5s are 105. 15 no 23 4s are 92. It is 207. It is minus 49 plus 100. These are nothing but 182 minus 49. These are nothing but 133. Last two digits it is nothing but 33. 12933. I hope the idea it is clear. Now if you see here, listen carefully. 17.3 whole square. You can use a digital sum, right? You can use wherever I discussed the maximum number of problems from here onwards. I'll skip it. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 it is 2 square it is 4. Here it is nothing but 4 plus 7 11, 11 is nothing but 2, 2 plus 4 it is 6. It is question mark plus 24 it is 6, 4 it is nothing but 7. So 4 plus 8 it is question mark plus 42, it is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12, 3 minus 6. Question mark it is minus 3. So answer digital sum has to be 6. Digital sum has to be 6. 12 19 not possible. 13 18 not possible. 15 21 23 29 it is not possible. 6 plus 8 40 15 15 plus 6 21. Wherever anywhere we did it. 7 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 2 square it is 4. These is right. 4 plus 7 it is nothing but 11. So 4 plus 2 it is 6. Question mark plus 24 it is 6. 5 plus 4 6 plus 1 7. 6 7s are 42. It is nothing but 6. 4 plus 6 2s are 12. 12 it is nothing but 3. Here I made a mistake. 4 plus 3 it is 7. 7 minus 6 it is nothing but 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. I hope these problems you can solve it right. Now this model I will discuss. Now if you see here, these are nothing but 90 into 91 into 92 into 93. You can use a digital sum. First we will use the digital sum. These are nothing but 1 plus 9 into any number. It is 9. 1 plus 9 it is 10. So it is a digital sum 1. Answer if I do square I should get digital sum 1. 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 7 10. 10 it is giving you 1. Here also, here 7 plus 2 9, 9 square it is 9, 8 square, 8441, 8441 square. These are nothing but 8 plus 1 9, 8 square 64. It is also giving you 1. 8231, 8231 square, 8 plus 5 square it is not possible. If I use a digital sum, two options are eliminated, that is B and D. We are stuck with A and C. This is where your last two digits will work into picture. This will help your problem to get the answer fast. 90 into 91 into 92 into 93. These x square. X is the answer option. These are nothing but minus 10. These 91 minus 9. These are nothing but minus 8. I hope it is clear. These are nothing but minus 7. 1 plus. These are nothing but 90. These are nothing but 56. These are nothing but 56. These are nothing but 56 into 10. 60. 60 into 9. 69s are 540. So answer last two digits should be 41. Answer last two digits it should be 41. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Where all we got digital sum 1. So 71. If I do 8371 square, last two digits it is nothing but 71 square. 71 is 21 more than 50. 21 square is 441. Answer is 41. 8441 square. 41 square is 9 less than 50. So 9 square is 81. I hope the idea it is clear. Now the next question. Find the compound interest. Okay, amount is nothing but principal plus compound interest. This is nothing but final value equivalent to initial value plus change. If the change is positive, it will be plus. If it is negative, it will be minus. Amount is nothing but principal plus compound interest. What is the principal given? 11280. Okay, for 1.5 years at 38% per annum. Interest is payable half yearly. For every 6 months, interest is done compoundingly. 6 months, 6 months, 6 months. So 38% it is per annum. So 38% is for 12 months. I want for 6 months. This is nothing but 19%. This is nothing but rate of interest is 19%. I hope you are all there with me. Rate of interest is 19%. Per year it is 38%. Half yearly 38 for 1 year. For 6 months it is 19. So it is nothing but amount is 11280. First year it is 19%, 1.19. Second year it is increase. Interest is extra amount. Again it is 1.19. Again it is 1.19. I hope it is clear. First year 19%, second year 19. 38% for 12 months. For 6 months it is 19. Now if you see, apply the digital sum. 8 plus 1, 9. It is nothing but 3. These 9 out. These 2, 2, 2. It is 8. 3 8s are 24. 2 plus 4. It is 6. Compound interest is nothing but amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Amount digital sum is 6. Principal digital sum is 3. 6 minus 3. Compound interest. Answer digital sum is 3. Wherever you are getting digital sum 3, that itself is the answer. Let us do. 9 it is out. 7 plus 4. 11. 11 plus 8. 19. 19 plus 3. 22. 22 plus 5. 27. 11 plus 8. 19. 22. 27. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means the digital sum is 1. Again it is 6 plus 4 plus 8 out. 9 it is out. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 12, it is 22. It is 4. Not possible. 9 it is out. Next one, if you see here, 7 plus 7, 14, 16, 24, 29, 32, 37, 39. 3 plus 9, 12, 1 plus 2, 3. Some 6 years before, right, I was one of the first few people to tell people how to use digital sum in compound interest problems. If you go back to ANIL NAIR classes YouTube channel, I was one of the first few in India to tell the application of digital sum. This video will be present in our channel, not today. 8 years before, almost 8 or 8.5 years before, I discussed this concept. Of course, a lot of people copied it. That is okay if you are keeping your video in public platform. That will happen. And I'm good that if somebody uses it to share the knowledge. Absolutely no negative vibes with anybody. Next one. The amount received at 10% per annum after 4 years. So, principal. 10% it is 1.1 first year, second year 1.1, third year 1.1, fourth year 1.1. Amount is nothing but 136893.35. it is p into 2 power 4, 16, 16 it is nothing but 7. These 9 cancelled out, 6 plus 3 cancelled out, 8 plus 1, 9 cancelled out, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 6 plus 5 it is 11, 11 it is 2, 2 equivalent to p into 7. So p is nothing but 2 by 7. If the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply it with 4, numerator and denominator. Principal digital sum should be 8. Principal digital sum should be 8. Wherever the answer option digital sum is 8, please check it out. These is not possible. These is not possible. These 5, 9. These first option. Very easily you will get it. 10% every year for 4 years. 10% on 100 it is 110 by 100, which is 1.1. I hope it is clear. Already we discussed in simplification session how to session 2 I think 14 sarees it is costing 835 and 11 sarees it is costing 645. So total how many sarees I purchased? 14 plus 11, 25. I already told you the weighted average. If more than one answer option, it is same. So it is multiply by 4. Denominator digital sum. Right? So 7 4s are 28 to 1. 1 plus 4 5. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 it is 7. 11 it is 2. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 it is nothing but 6. So into 4. 5 7s are 35. 6 2s are 12. 35 plus 12. 47 into 4. 47. 4 plus 7 is 11. 2 4s are 8. Answer digital sum should be 8. Answer digital sum should be 8. Let us go. 7 plus 5 12. 13. 13 plus 4 17. 1 plus 7 8. 751.40. Already I told you a shortcut for this where you will get the answer directly. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum, you can use these logic also. In simplification session 2, I think this shortcut is discussed. 11 sarees are costing 645, lowest value, right? And 14 sarees are costing 835. So already I discussed. Answer is average is always greater than the lowest value. 14 by 11 plus 14 25 into these difference it is nothing but 190. These difference it is nothing but 190. I hope it is clear. So these nothing but into 4 and it is into 4. 50. So here it is 25. 4s are 100. So it is nothing but 56 into 1.9. Whatever the answer that you will get, that itself is the answer. I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear, right? Weighted average session number 2 I explained. From the monthly income, how you can use it in percentage problems. Spending. What are the things that I spent? 24 out of 100 rupees I spent. 16 on entertainment I spent 40 rupees over. 28 on education I spent. So actual money, actual income is income. 40, 68. 68 is spent. How much is remaining? 32% is remaining. In the remaining 72% I donated. How much is remaining? 28%. What is the leftover amount? 2403.52. 2403.52. I into 32 digital sum is 5. 28 digital sum is 1. These cancel. 5 plus 2 it is 7. So income is nothing but 7 by 5. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. 1 plus 4 it is 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. These cancel. 9 plus 2 11. It is 2. 6 2 plus 6 8 16 18. it is 5. Second option, it is matching. Second option, it is matching. I hope the idea it is clear, or probably you can go by the unit digit and the last two digits is same. So preferably go with the digital sum. Easy problem. Population increases by 7%, 1.07. Decreases by 6%, 0.94. Again increases by 3%, 1.03. Population after the third year, it is seems a very high values, but if you do slowly you will get the answer. 566, 522, 3819. 3819. What is the initial population? Initial population into. Now if you see here, these are nothing but 8, these are nothing but 4, these are nothing but 4. Here slowly we will do 8 plus 1 out, 6 plus 3 out, 5 plus 2 plus 2 out, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 digital sum is 2. So initial population into 8 4s are 32, 5 4s are 20 into 2 equivalent to 2. Initial population digital sum should be 1. Initial population digital sum should be 1. 5 plus 2 7, 13, 15, 20, not possible. 5 plus 6 11, 15, 17, 22, not possible. Last one, 5 plus 4 9, 14, 19, 19 digital sum is 1. Option is D. I hope the question already we discussed. 2 plus 2 square digital sum 4, 2 square digital sum 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, m digital sum it is 1, m digital sum it is 1. Anyway this will be 9, 3 plus 3 6, 6 square is 36, anyway it is 9, these are nothing but 3. So m plus n digital sum should be 4, m plus n digital sum should be 4. Now these, I think these also you can solve it. So 375 divided by 455. Already we solved a lot of problems based upon this model. Now see here, percentage and 100, it is out. So this will become plus 13.3 into 86 minus 15.7 into 9240 divided by 100 equivalent to 40 into x by 100. Apply digital sum. First little bit of calculation. So if I do 455, 591s are, these are nothing but 575s are and 575s are. 575s are. I hope it is clear. So 750, 75. These are nothing but 13 7s are. These are nothing but 13 6s are 78. 13 5s are 65. 100. 13 7s are 91. Right? And you can do this calculation and apply digital sum. Almost a good number of problems we solved of this model. So use digital sum. Now if you see here, what probably you need to do is these nothing but 15.7 go by the digital sum, sir, because unit digit is same. Here also 6317, all the unit digits are different. Attack the unit digits. Attack the unit digits. These are nothing but 2 8s are 16. 6 into 5. These are nothing but 1.392. Use the concept of 1392 into 1605 divided by 100. These 1.4. All are even numbers, right? These also 4. These nothing but 5. These calculate it. Suppose if it is 75, just check it out whether 5 6s are 30, 40, 5 8s are 5 3s are 5 12s are 60, 31, 5 6s are 30, 17, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are. So from here calculate it. 123, 5 12s are 60, 31, 5 6s are 30. Calculate this one, whatever the answer that you get it, either apply the concept of digital sum and unit digit. Good number of problems we solved it, so I am leaving it for you to solve, right? In case if you are not getting, please ask me. Next one. I hope many problems we are solving covering all the models. Simple interest, it is 381500. It is the sum which I gave it to my friend for 5 years. Every year he will pay 8.375 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel. Apply the concept of digital sum. If I apply 3 plus 5, 8. 8 into 5 into 8 plus 3, 11, 18 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Answer digital sum should be 2. Some sample problems, right, where digital sum can be used. Already we discussed. If it is 8, multiply by 8. 8, 8, 8 up to 8 times. 8 8s are 64. Answer digital sum should be 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. This problem also we solved it. A number is increased by 22% into 1.22 and added to, it is added to 5827.12, it is equivalent to 1210765. This is nothing but P into, now see here sir, P into, just we will do little smarter approach. Okay, first we will do this. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, plus these is nothing but 8 plus 1 2 plus 7, these is plus 7, these is 7 plus 2, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 it is 4. So 5 in P into 5, it is nothing but minus 3, minus 3 it is nothing but 6. So P equivalent to 6 by 5 multiply by 2, 12, 12 it is nothing but, answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. 9 out. 8 plus 5 14, 18. 7 plus 6 13, it is 4. 9 out. 15 plus 4 19, it is not possible. 9 out, 9 out. 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 11 26, it is not possible. 9 out. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 6 22. Check which answer option digital sum is matching. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Let me check if any thing is missing. 2 plus 2 it is 4, 4 plus 1 5, P into 5 plus 7 equivalent to 11, 11 plus 2 13, 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 7 minus 3, it is 6. Check with the digital sum which all it is matching. I hope the idea it is clear, right? All these problems are just a practice problems over, right, from various books, from various resources. Idea is to tell you where all this question can be used. These are all the various questions where you can also see. You can go back to our YouTube channel and you can see how to use a digital sum in compound interest problems. 8 years before I kept the video. Various kinds of problem. Division we did, last 2 digits we did it. Then we used how to find the square of a number using last 2 digits. All the problems we discussed. In case if you enjoy my logic,